Welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with Concise Dictionary. I often rely on ChatGPT in any kind of matter. I know ChatGPT can answer any particular question, any particular solution it can provide us. So, couple of words I have picked today. I'll show you the exact meaning and pronunciation of those words. So, one of the words, let's ask ChatGPT, what is the pronunciation of a word spelled as CHAUFFEUR? So, in my opinion, its pronunciation, that what I learned and what I studied in the dictionary was chauffeur. Now let's ask ChatGPT how it tells us. The word is pronounced as, in American English, look at that. There are two accents basically. One is the American accent and one is the British accent. In American accent, it sounds like chauffeur, and in British accent, it sounds like chauffeur. Not R has to be lined out. So the next step is, now the pronunciation has been finalized because we follow British accent, so you can call it chauffeur. But in American accent, it is called chauffeur. So what is the meaning? What is the meaning of chauffeur? Its meaning would be driver of a private car. Let's confirm this by using ChatGPT. A chauffeur is a person employed to drive a private or hired car for someone else. So chauffeur का मतलब वो होता है जो किसी की प्राइवेट कार को चलाता है, यानी प्राइवेट कार चलाने के लिए हायर किया जाता है. Now the next word, what is the pronunciation of a word INDICT, spelled as INDICT? In my opinion, in my dictionary view, it should be pronounced like indict. Now, people would get confused how it can be pronounced indict. Spell wise, it is looking quite obvious that one has to pronounce it like this, indict. But why it is pronounced indict? Let's ask ChatGPT. The word INDICT is pronounced as indict, as ChatGPT has summarized it, which sounds like indict, rhyming with kite, even though it has a C in the spelling, but C in this case is silent, so it has to give the voice of recite, kite. So this word indict, not indict. Remember, this is pronounced like indict. Next step is, what is the meaning of INDCT? Means indict. इसका मीनिंग उर्दू में कुछ इस तरह होना चाहिए, इल्ज़ाम लगाना. कंफर्म कर लेते हैं. आई एम कंफर्मिंग फ्रॉम चैट जीपीटी. द वर्ड इंडाइट मीन्स टू फॉर्मली एक्यूज और चार्ज समवन विद अ क्राइम. सो किसी के ऊपर एक जुर्म आयद करना, यानी किसी चीज़ का जुर्म आयद कर देना, वो इंडाइट होता है. सो इसकी एग्जांपल भी है, द जूरी डिसाइडेड टू इंडाइट द सस्पेक्ट. कि जूरी यानी जो अदालत है, उसने मुश्तबा शख्स पे इल्ज़ाम लगाने का फ़ैसला किया ऑन फ्रॉड चार्जेस, यानी धोखे के चार्जेस पे. डिसाइडेड फैसला किया, टू इंडाइट इल्ज़ाम लगाने का, द सस्पेक्ट. सस्पेक्ट को वो इंसान जो मुश्तबा होता है, यानी गैर यकीनी इंसान जिस पे शक किया जाता है, ऑन फ्रॉड चार्जेस, धोखे के चार्जेस पे. तो इंडाइट जहाँ पे भी आप लफ्ज़ सुनेंगे, उसका मीनिंग होगा इल्ज़ाम लगाना, बट प्रोनाउंसिएशन वाइज इट इज़ सो टफ टू प्रोनाउंस फर्स्ट as such people who haven't really studied the dictionary at all. That's why it is quite essential to study dictionary. And one more word, what is the pronunciation of a word YACHT? It's a daily routine word. In my opinion, it should be called yacht, YOT. Now let's see. It sounds like yacht, rhyming with lot, so its pronunciation is clear. look at the spellings, they are quite different, but the pronunciation is quite simple. Yacht. Now, what is the meaning of yacht? What is the meaning of yacht? Its meaning should be एक कश्ती, छोटी सी कश्ती होनी चाहिए. A yacht is a large luxurious boat, एक luxurious boat या ship used for recreation, racing or cruising. Cruising मतलब सफ़र करने के लिए, रेस लगाने के लिए जो ship या एक बोट यूज़ होती है उसे yacht कहते हैं. It is typically privately owned. ये privately owned यानी private आपका yacht होता है, designed for leisure rather than work. ये मतलब ये टाइम गुजारी के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, काम के सिलसिले में नहीं. ट्रिप वगैरह पे आप जा रहे हैं, सफ़र के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो यॉट की सैर करेंगे आप. दैट्स व्हाट इट मीन्स. थैंक यू सो मच. आई होप you might have enjoyed